Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am sharing complete details about the Open Door Scholarship 2025, which is one of the best fully funded scholarship in Russia. It is an Olympiad competition organized by Association of Global Universities in Russia, supported by the Ministry of Science and Higher Education of Russia Federation, provide a chance for talented international students to study in top Russian universities for free. Fields of studies of the Open Door Scholarship is biology and biotechnology, computer and data science, mathematics and artificial intelligence, chemistry and material science, business and management, and so on. The application period starts from September 1 to November 16, and the first stage of portfolio filling. So prepare your portfolio and take the entrance exam in your personal account. All research papers, certificate, awards of honor that you have ever upload it in the first stage. And 16 November 2025 is the deadline of the portfolio submission. You will not be able to edit your portfolio after the deadline. While waiting for the result, your portfolio review and 17 to 27 November 25, the first stage grading of the portfolio, and 28 November 2025, announcement of the first stage result. The result of portfolio evaluation are published in the participant personal account. And 28 November to 1 December, a winner of the first stage will participate in the second stage exam, which is held during 3 hours in the proctoring mode. To prepare effectively, please read the subject area program and pass the second round sample task available on the subject area page. And from December 2 to 15, completing the second stage task for bachelor, master track, and doctoral track, analogous to PhD. The schedule of second stage task session by subject area. Uh, to 14 December 2025, postdoctoral tech participant will upload their video representation. And 22 December, announcement of the second stage result. And from 22 to 24 December, appeal process will be begin. Have any type of appeal according to your result, you can apply for the appeal. Now come to the common questions which mainly students ask. So for first stage, you will which documents will I need for the first stage? This is the most common question. Only motivation letter and educational level proof are mandatory for portfolio submission. Without providing them, you won't be able to submit your portfolio and take part in the second stage. Losing the opportunity, become a winner or runner up and get a scholarship through Open Door. So the documents you will need is motivation letter and educational level proof. So these are the mandatory documents for the first stage. All other documents in the portfolio are optional, but their presence will boost your maximum score. Second question mainly student ask is, are notarized translation for documents obligatory? It is not obligatory at the first stage of portfolio submission when the certified translation can be uploaded. And the third question mainly student ask is about motivation letter. I will make a detailed video on this, so you will watch the video and your all question will be clear. And the fourth question is, what are the criteria of portfolio scoring? The criteria differ depending on the subject area, so don't worry about that question. The next question is, can I edit or update my portfolio after it has been submitted? So you can withdraw your portfolio till November 6. After that, your portfolio will be submit automatically. So in open door scholarship, there is no need of confirmation your language skills with certificates or any other way for participant in Russian scholarship project. So you don't have to show your language. Okay. When the second stage will begin, I will create a detailed video on the second stage. So it's all about the first stage. If you have any type of question and queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to HajiScholar for more scholarship updates. Bye bye.